Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Chick-fil-A Kale Crunch Salad using an easy method. This simple recipe brings that restaurant favorite right to your kitchen. You'll need just a few fresh ingredients like crisp kale, crunchy green cabbage, and a creamy dressing. Get ready to enjoy a refreshing and satisfying side dish in no time at all. First, let's prepare our greens. Take about 2 cups of fresh kale, wash it thoroughly and make sure it's completely dry. Then, finely chop 1 cup of green cabbage. The drier your greens are, the better the dressing will adhere. Combine both the kale and the chopped cabbage in a spacious mixing bowl, ready for the next step. Now for the star of the show, the dressing and toppings. In a separate small bowl, whisk together about 1/4 cup of your favorite creamy dressing with 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This adds a lovely tang. Pour this delicious dressing over your prepared kale and cabbage. Finally, sprinkle in 1/4 cup of roasted almonds for that signature crunch. The final step is to gently toss everything together until all the greens are beautifully coated with the dressing. For the best flavor and texture, let your salad chill in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld perfectly. Serve it up and enjoy your incredibly easy homemade Chick-fil-A Kale Crunch Salad. It's truly delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.